Well, here's something I was thinking about recently, which is in relation to my last video about those sounds and possible resonation of the magnetic field and whatnot. What if this is what caused those deaths of the birds last year in SITS? All birds tell where north is by tying in the magnetic fields. And whatever allows them to do this would be would have a reaction to changes in the magnetic field. So maybe this caused damage to the brain or something, killing them or causing them to crash into things. Maybe this is evidence of this. This sound is a resonation from the microwaves and whatnot from the center of the universe or Nibiru hitting the magnetic field, causing a reaction with magnetic particles in the air, causing the sound, which would also affect the birds. So I'm curious, does anybody have any thoughts on this? Do you think this is it? Or do you have any other possible explanations? I think it's an interesting tie-in, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts.